Okay. Yeah. That's good.
Hi, my name is Eddie.
I'm Soanne and this is our home. So we wanted something that was bright and airy, and we really like the Scandinavian theme as well as some whites along the house. The cleaning aspect is very important to us, so what we requested was a house that's easy to clean.
Oh, for me it's simplicity because it has to be some sort of a timeless design whereby every time you come back to the house you can always enjoy it like a piece of art.
So my favourite part is definitely my bedroom. It is a very warm and relaxing place to go. You can toggle between the lightings, and I really love my bed frame feature that was all bespoke and customized by Yen and team.
Another thing to mention is the TV console. Because we don't have cove lighting, so when we had that concept, inbuilt into the TV console itself, it really provides a very warm kind of feel. So it really looks like a very beautiful image when you step into the house.
Yen is by far the most creative designer that we have met. Her ideas are out of the box and she's very willing to listen to our needs. Apart from the creativity aspect, I just want to say that Yen, she really listens to what the consumers want. And
there are no empty promises, along the way. How it looked like in the pictures, it really, looked as good or even better, in the physical item itself. Something to add would be the punctuality of the timeline. The fact that she could actually deliver on time or even slightly earlier was really great.
And I think during the whole renovation process, it is inevitable that couples or partners will quarrel. Yen did her part to try to mitigate between the both of us.
Oh yeah.
So that we are very thankful of.
Yep.